Let's compare the length and height of some common objects.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
Which of these is longer, comb or crayon? Let's measure the comb. The length of the comb is 7 centimeters. Let's measure the crayon. The length of the crayon is 6 centimeters. 7 centimeters is greater than 6 centimeters. So the comb is longer. One more time and you'll have it. Which of these is taller, pole or box?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 127 videos totaling 7 hours and 46 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 2 Math.